Hello everyone. In this 1-minute video, I'll discuss the 5 most common mistakes in machine learning. Please stay tuned. Not understanding the data. Understanding the data is a fundamental step in any machine learning project. Without a good understanding of data, models may not perform well and may not be very helpful in solving business problems. Insufficient data pre-processing. Most of the time, the real-world data set are not usable in their original form and require extensive cleaning and pre-processing to make them suitable for machine learning. Lack of feature engineering. Feature engineering about handling missing values and outliers, scaling features, and encoding categorical variables. But most beginners overlook this super important step. Data leakage. Data leakage is a common problem in machine learning that occurs when your model uses information outside the training dataset during the training phase. This problem can be avoided if you are careful during the pre-processing steps. Underfitting and overfitting are problems to avoid when building a machine learning models. Underfitting happens when a model is too simple to understand the data, while overfit occurs when a model is too complex and captures random noise instead of real patterns. Both lead to poor model performance.
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.